Hi, my name is Bronco Deeds, and I am a Prince William County Schools alum, and I am an assistant superintendent at Potomac Shores Golf Club. Prince William County Schools and the Brentsville Turf program helped prepare me for my career. Being in the Brentsville Turf program really set me up to have a thriving future, like giving me several job opportunities and how big the program has become still now. Being able to go and tell the industry professionals that I was a student from Brentsville's turf program and them recognize that is really big. The CTE teachers have great quality. It's been an awesome program to be involved in, and now that I'm in the industry in a management position to involve students in. The CTE program is set up for the futures of the students that are trying to get involved in industry stuff that they're taking through their school.
I think it's a really great program. Like, it gives them that experience, gives them a greater opportunity to land a superintendent's position. Can't ask for a better employee than Bronco.
Here at the Brentsville Turf Toro Grounds Academy, we really focus on making sure that they get the hands-on learning that they're going to use later on in the field. Everything that they learn here in the classroom directly correlates to what they do in the field. We really focus on developing our students not only as professionals but as human beings, because we want them to understand what it takes to have a passion, drive themselves in order to create a future for them that they can love, that they can thrive. If you're ever interested in joining Toro Grounds Academy, we're super excited to have you. We hope that you get to see sort of who we are, who we're developing as industry professionals, and what we can accomplish together here at Brentsville.